Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Webflow Forms API submissions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Webflow Forms API submissions, start by logging into your Webflow account. Navigate to the desired project where you want to enable form submissions. Once in the project dashboard, click on the Forms tab located in the left sidebar. Select the specific form that you want to configure for API submissions. In the Form Settings, scroll down to the Form Settings section. Look for the API Settings option and click on it. You will see an option labeled Enable API Submissions. Toggle this option to the On position. Next, make a note of the form's unique API key that appears. This key will be essential for sending data to the form via the API. Now, open your favorite code editor or development environment. Set up an HTTP POST request to send data to the Webflow API endpoint. The API endpoint URL will typically look something like this: https://api.webflow.com/collections/left. Replace collection_ID with the actual collection ID of your form. In the request header, include the authorization key. Set its value to bearer, your _API_ key. Next, construct a JSON object that contains the data you want to submit through the form. Ensure that your JSON structure matches the fields defined in your Webflow form. Include all necessary fields to avoid submission errors. After setting up your POST request with the correct endpoint and headers, run your script. Check the response to confirm that your data was submitted successfully. If there's an error, review the API documentation for troubleshooting tips. Now you have successfully enabled Webflow Forms API submissions. Test the functionality to ensure everything works seamlessly as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.